Hi there, I'm Oluwakemi. I create educational videos for both students and teachers, as well as some other helpful do-it-yourself videos. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please leave a comment below, share and like, and please do click on the red subscription button. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and be educated. Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is JAMB Biology 2017, and the question goes thus: the process required for formation of gamete in sexual reproduction is. Gametes are formed by a type of cell division whereby the two-step division process produces 4 daughter cells called haploid. So now let's go to the given options. Option A, implantation. In humans, implantation is the stage of pregnancy at which the embryo adheres to the wall of the uterus. Option B, fertilization. Fertilization is the fusion of haploid gametes, egg, and sperm to form the diploid zygote. Option C, mitosis. This is a process where a single cell divides into 2 identical daughter cells. Okay, good. Option D, meiosis. Meiosis is a process whereby a single cell divides twice to produce 4 cells containing half of the original amount of the genetic information. These cells are the sex cells. And remember what we said about gamete formation. Gametes are formed by a type of cell division called meiosis. So the answer option D is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.